Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best trowels for gardening in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is the ESOW Garden Tool Set. This trio of gardening tools, which includes a hand rake, transplanter, and trowel, is ideal for handling a variety of gardening tasks. You can use the hand rake to loosen and aerate the soil. The transplanting trowel is ideal for relocating smaller plants and flowers, and it features depth markers for easy measuring. The oversized hand trowel allows you to move larger amounts of soil faster. Each tool features an ergonomic soft grip handle that reduces stress and fatigue while working. Made of heavy-duty cast aluminum, these tools are extremely sturdy and resist rust. Another convenient feature is the hole at the top of each handle, making them easy to store when not in use. This set is available in 3 color choices: cherry red, cactus print, and grass green. Since tools come nicely packaged in a box, they make a great gift for gardening enthusiasts. While most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, we did find some reports of the tools breaking after several uses. However, this set is backed by a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 2. Our second best pick is Edward Tools Bend-Proof Garden Trowel. Measuring 3.6 inches at its widest point and featuring wide concave edges, this oversized garden trowel allows you to scoop soil more efficiently. The manufacturer claims this is the most heavy-duty trowel on the market and backs it with a bend-proof promise and a lifetime warranty. Its strong stainless steel blade can dig in rocky and heavy clay soil without bending or breaking. The ergonomic handle is equipped with contoured finger grips and palm rest, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. A hole at the end of the handle facilitates easy storage. Despite the manufacturer's claims, we found some instances of the trowel bending and breaking after several uses. Additionally, some may find it a bit on the heavy side and slightly awkward to maneuver. Although the trowel weighs less than half a pound, heavy or compacted soil certainly can add to its heft. Number 3. Our third best pick is Edward Tools Garden Trowel. This sturdy, thoughtfully designed garden trowel is an excellent choice for everyday gardening tasks. The heavy-duty carbon steel blade measures nearly 4 inches wide, which means it shouldn't bend or break in rocky soil. Its curved shape and pointed tip neatly dig and transfer soil. The blade also features depth markers for easy measuring and more consistent planting. An ergonomic rubber handle provides a comfortable grip and better leverage in heavier soils. Weighing 9.6 ounces, this trowel is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Although this trowel is advertised as bend-proof, we found some reports of bending and breakage over time. The good news is that it's backed by a lifetime guarantee, so be sure to request a replacement if you encounter any damage or defects. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wilcox 10-inch all-pro fine point trowel. Its sharp, pointed tip can cut through stubborn weeds and fibrous roots with ease. With depth markers stamped on the blade, it's easy to reference for accurate measurements. The handle, which is coated with heavy-duty plastic and features built-in finger grooves, provides a comfortable and secure grip. For enhanced portability, this trowel features a leather wrist strap at one end. When you're finished working, hang it on a wall for easy storage. This garden trowel is pricier than other options, but its durability sets it apart from the competition. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel, it lives up to the manufacturer's unbreakable claim. We didn't find any reports of it bending or breaking even after rigorous use. Plus, this trowel comes with a lifetime warranty and is made in the United States. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Radius Garden Ergonomic Hand Trowel. This ergonomic trowel is specifically designed for users with limited hand strength, arthritis, or carpal tunnel syndrome. Its curved, thermoplastic handle is comfortable to hold for extended periods. By providing extra leverage, it minimizes stress on hands and wrists when digging. With an overall weight of 7 ounces, this garden trowel is ultra-light and easy to maneuver. The blade is made of aluminum, a fairly strong material, but it is lighter than stainless steel and carbon steel options. While this trowel is well suited for light-duty tasks, such as potting, it may struggle or break in rocky soil. On a positive note, this product is backed by a lifetime warranty to ensure customer satisfaction. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.